All right, everybody. So I have a really special axe that I'm going to unbox. This axe is amazing, and this axe is one that I never thought that I would own. The opportunity came up to purchase it. The price was right to purchase it, and I thought, this is going to be my Christmas gift to myself this year. So here is the box. This is from Whiskey River. Whiskey River has been doing some pretty amazing things lately. They're an axe distributor, but they're facilitating axe use in so many amazing ways. I mean, with coming out with their heritage handles, coming out with even, their non-heritage, but just premium handles. They're incredible. I've got a couple waiting to be hung in the corner. Just wonderful. They came out with a line of hickory axe blanks. So if you want to carve your own axe handle, you can do that now. And I think the blanks were $15. Correct me if I'm wrong. I could be wrong. Go check them out. See for yourself. Wonderful company. And Brandon over there, Brandon Roost, American axe nobility, son of course, you guys know Craig Roost, lead axe designer at Council Tool. Brandon is really making his own mark in the axe community over there with Whiskey River. Just wonderful. They are now doing auctions, and it's like the anti-eBay, anti-Etsy auctions. They don't give their stuff away on the auctions, but the prices are so much better. And I think a big part of that is you don't have, what does eBay take, like 20-30% right off the top? It's just horrendous. And shipping is free if you purchase anything over $150. So I think it's a real economical way, probably the last online means of procuring an axe today affordably, has to be through Whiskey River. So enough jibber jabbering. My address is on the other side here, so I'm going to try to keep this box oriented the right way. And I might even, let me see, can I do that there? All right. So we're going to get this box opened up here. Total weight of this box is 7 pounds, and it contains a really special axe that I'm excited to show you guys. Oh, that was cardboard. All right. So let's get this. Ooh, nice. And that's the other thing about Whiskey River too, is the packing is always, it's like a clown car. Is always great. Okay. I'm gonna make sure that, holy smokes. This is absolutely phenomenal. Wow. Holy cats. So if you guys have been following axes on social media, you already know what this is. There's this wire that is twisted on there. I would almost think some painter's tape would do the same thing. All right, so you guys already know what this is. This is a Vintage Axe Works axe. Got the oil dripping right onto the handle. We got the oil shot there. I think I've seen about 10,000 of those. Look at that head. Look at the mask. Nice stamp, just beautiful. Now this is maple, curly maple, laminated on the outside with padauk in the middle. And man, look at that, wow, look at that curve down at the bottom of the handle there. That is excellent. I mean, really, this is a really comfortable axe to swing and to hold. And what I think is so unique about this, there's not really a palm swell on this handle. Not really at all. I have, let's see. Here's a Whiskey River handle. And here is this Vintage Axe Works handle. Here we go. Look at that difference here. I mean, this is, it's probably 1.5 inches, maybe, on the Vintage Axe Works. And this is, I would say just shy of 2 inches at that palm swell there. But despite having no real palm swell to speak of, there's enough curve on the handle that it's shockingly comfortable. I mean, it really is. Wow, I really do like that. This is a wonderful curve here. Wonderful crook. Now, I will say that if you were going to go make an axe handle to go swing and bruise and smash and crash, you would not pick this piece of maple. You wouldn't pick maple to begin with. I should just say that right off the bat. Maple is a beautiful wood. It is not a durable, strong wood. And curly maple, curly maple means it's going to run out this way and that way and every other way. And Padauk, I can't recall ever handling Padauk before. It's an exotic species that I just really haven't done anything with. But boy, is it beautiful. It has a luster to it. And this is just polished, smooth. This handle is absolutely phenomenal. I love this handle. I'm going to make a pattern of this handle. Roy, I hope you don't mind. Golly, that's just beautiful. You look at the real crisp lines. My understanding is that Roy makes his own handles from scratch. I mean, starts with the boards, cuts them out from scratch, hand shapes them. And this is that to obtain this level of beauty while hand making an axe handle, I think is exceptional. Nice tight fit there. You see that? Real nice tight fit. Curling pretty much only on one side of the handle, which can indicate a little bit of a wonky eye, but in this case, I don't see any of that. Just a beautiful, beautiful axe. You look at the wedge here, nice even compression all the way down. The wedge is rounded over on the front and the back, so it fits in the eye beautifully. Let's take a look at this mask. This is heavy leather. This would be 12-ounce leather, maybe? Wow, beautiful. Yeah, I would say at least 12-ounce leather. Oh, excuse me. Smells wonderful. Burnished. Nicely burnished. This is not easy to do. If I can just kind of show off the work here. Look at these corners. Look at how those corners are chamfered evenly. The point is even. On every corner of this sheath, of this mask, the chamfer is nice and even all the way across. Now, a lot of people, I think, kind of poo-poo these rivets. Oh, saddle stitching is but saddle stitching is wonderful. That's an art all to itself. But in terms of in terms of installing these rivets, go pound in 5 or 6 of these rivets. Try to make them look nice like that. This was done. Yeah, these would have been hand peened. You can see maybe this one here at the top got away from him a little bit. That can happen when the burr kind of gets under the rivet or the washer. But honestly, this is beautiful work. Absolutely beautiful work. This mask is incredible. The other thing too is, this leather is not cheap. If you want to go out and you want to buy, 12 ounce, wow, this is absolutely 10 ounce. I would probably say it's 12 ounce, just visually. I would say this is minimum 10 ounce. It's expensive. I mean, leather like this, of this quality. Well, am I on 45? Sorry. Yeah, no, I'd say that's 40. Yep, I'd say that's 40 because it rocks a little bit on 45 and doesn't quite fit on 35. So, I mean, just a really strong bevel on this axe. You could chop with it. It's got a little bit of a speed bump. In fact, it does have a speed bump. You can see this here. So if somebody was going to use this, you'd want to knock that down. But honestly, I don't think I'm going to use this. If I did use it, I'd put it on a different handle. And to put it on a different handle, I'd have to drill out that beautiful wedge. And I don't want to do that. So this, for me, this is going to be my one wall hanger. Everybody's got to have one. I'm not a huge believer in wall hangers, but this, I think, is going to be the one that I allow myself. Every other axe that I own as a user, I don't have a single wall hanger. I swing them all. I split with them all. You know, but this one's just too nice to ruin. Look at that. Vintage Axe Works. Beautiful axe. Absolutely beautiful. Everything about this is phenomenal. I really do like this handle. This is, I mean, top 5 most comfortable handles that I have ever held. Makes me want to get a hickory handle from him. I don't know if he sells his handles or not, but golly, this is top 5 most comfortable handles that I have ever used right here. So I hope you guys found this interesting. If nothing else, I thought it'd be kind of fun to see an axe on the channel from one of the greats, Roy, over there at Vintage Axe Works. So I'll give you one last look before I sign out. Sorry guys, I'm not going to be throwing this in the rounds. This one's too nice. This one's going to be a wall hanger. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.